Hello everyone, this is James again with the How To Cast 365, and today we are going over how to add to your Gmail calendar. Okay, so starting off, go to your Gmail account. If you don't know how to get to your Gmail account, I encourage you to watch my other video, How to Create a Gmail Account, and that should make it pretty self-explanatory. So once in here, you'll see in the top right hand corner there's a calendar button or calendar icon. Go ahead and click on that icon. As you can see, there's a lot of holidays pre-populated in here, just standard stuff really. So now if you want to create an event, you can click on this at the bottom right hand corner. You can add a title. For this video we'll do a birthday party or a surprise birthday party. Next, we can add a date and time. We'll say the birthday is November 15th. And then we'll add a time and we'll say the party is at 1 p.m. going to 2 p.m. Next, you can add a description. This is helpful once you click on Jane's B-Day party, say next November 15th. You can see the description here. You'll know what it is, and then you can add a little reminder like P.S. Don't forget a present this year. From here you can modify your text. I'll bold it and underline it just to emphasize the point. It's pretty standard across Google platforms. Now you can click Save in the bottom right hand corner, and you have your event in here. So from here you can just go in, look at the event, you can click on it. When you click on it, you get this description, you get the title, and you also see that the reminder is set to 30 minutes before the event. And I'm going to show you how to modify that right now. Okay, so now if you want to go directly to that notification in your calendar and click on it and edit these details directly, just click the Edit in Calendar button. As you can see, there's a bigger interface, more interactive, more detailed. If you want, you can use any of these actions on the right hand side, such as print. You can change the title. For the reminder, for the notification or birthday party itself, I'm going to put it annually on November 15th just because it's a yearly thing. I'm probably always going to want to know that date. I'm going to add a location. We'll just say Chicago for the event. I'm not going to add conferencing. That's not really applicable here. For the notification or the reminder, I'm going to change that to, let's just say, well, first we'll make it hours because I'm going to want to know a couple hours in advance, surely. And you could make it days, weeks, but I'll just do hours. 5 hours beforehand, before this supposed birthday party, I would get a notification from Google on my calendar. I'll go ahead and make this private because there's really no reason for me to have it public, and that just would hypothetically increase the chances of someone else seeing it that's not supposed to. And from there you can save it. Here's the Google Calendar interface. It's pretty straightforward, a lot like other calendar applications, but honestly has some pretty cool features. If you go straight to the date, November 15th, you can see all the different things you can do. Right here is Veterans Day, and of course the birthday party that I put in there. I encourage you to explore the calendar feature. If you have more questions about it, please view my other videos. If there's a question about Gmail, Google Calendars, Google in general, chances are we've already covered it. And if not, then thanks for watching. Hope you learned something here. Please, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe. It would really mean a great deal to us. And we hope to see you around next time. Again, this is James with HowToCast 365, and we'll catch you soon.